In this setup, we used Cavitar's plug-and-play Schlieren imaging solution, illuminated by our CAVILUX lasers, and using a Photron Nova high-speed camera at 1000 frames per second. Today, we get to see the invisible shielding gas of mag welding and how the fume extractor affects our welding process. Watch closely as the shielding gas flows from the nozzle, creating an invisible barrier. Notice how it turns inwards to the fume extractor, located on the left. Why does this matter? Well, too close and it will cause drag on the welding process. Now observe the fascinating vortex created by the shielding gas, mixing with oxygen. But here comes the critical moment. We witness the birth of the arc and the shock wave that follows, setting the stage for the welding process. The arc is forming without proper shielding gas. The oxygen starts mingling in, causing oxidation, and suddenly the protective atmosphere isn't as effective. Keep an eye on the vortex though. It holds the key to the balance between shielding and unwanted oxidation. As the welding progresses, notice how the shielding gas flow reacts and turns, responding to the dynamics of the environment. As we move to the last wire contacts, observe the shielding gas flow bending under the suction of the fume extractor. As a result, the surface of the weld is partially uncovered and it is under the influence of oxygen. We can see the heat as a white glow in the surface of the weld. After the final arc, the welding aftermath begins as the shielding after gas flows. But there's a catch. There's no protective shield on the weld. A vortex of hot air rises from the weld surface, revealing a lack of shielding gas protection. The surface of the weld is oxidized, underscoring the critical role of the shielding gas in preserving the integrity of the weld. Understanding the nuances of the shielding gas in welding is like unraveling a hidden world that is only possible when using the right tools and equipment. To get to see how we can solve your imaging problems and to learn more about CAVILUX laser illumination, please visit our website cavitar.com. Designed, engineered and manufactured in Finland.